Hello and what's up, guys? And today, actually, there's lots of things that I'm going to be doing, but the main focus is this new acquisition, the new guitar that I bought. You've seen from the previous video when I unboxed this and my first impression. This guitar is LA guitar, or the Strat type of Gear4Music. With their LA guitars, they got LA series, that's the regular one, and this one is LA Select, and then there's LA Kids, which is the 3/4 or the junior size. Then they got the pack where there's amps, etc. Right. When we go to the LA Select, there's different types of guitar. This is SSS configuration. There's HSS, which is humbucker, and then single coil, single coil. There's HH, which is humbucker and humbucker. At the moment, this one is being sold 99.99 pounds. I bought this 54 pounds via eBay as used B-stock second-hand guitar. Alright? And let's click it. And according to their full description of this guitar, this is a classic style and versatile sound. The LA Select is an affordable way for guitarists of all levels to capture the vibe of some of music's most respected guitar greats. The sleek double cutaway body and sparkling tones of its single coil pickups are inspired by some of the most legendary guitars in the history of music. Capable of producing anything from deep rock crunch through jangly blues to sparkling highs, the LA Select can be used for both rhythm and lead at the flip of a switch. So there's 5-way selector that gives you access to the wealth of great sounds, or wealth of guitar sounds the LA has to offer. Tones from everything rock, blues, and funk to jazz. Single coil pickups are known for their bright, sharp, and clear ring, with the neck pickup producing a mellow but full twang, and the bridge position giving a clean, acoustic-like ring. So this is how they describe this guitar. So, easy playing neck, comfortable body. So the solid contoured body for the LA Select. That's why I always love Strat, because of the contour, body contour. And this one here. So that's why I love it. Makes it comfortable to play. Featuring a body crafted from ash wood. So this is ash wood. The classic black finish. Yeah, you've seen it, isn't it? The strap, I've just put this. It is my old strap. Red tortoise shell 3-ply pickguard and aged white pickups. That's why I thought, because it's second hand, so this is almost brand new, but that aged color for the white pickups and volume and tone knobs, as well as the pickup selector, it's an aged color. Complements the guitar's classic design. Right, LA Select, full size, 22 fret neck, combines a maple back, so maple, with a poplar laminate fingerboard. So it's not rosewood, it's poplar laminate fingerboard. The smooth maple allows comfortable, quick, and easy movement along the neck for those faster licks, whilst the guitar's double cutaway design lets you rip through blistering solos with easier access to the higher frets. The poplar laminate fingerboard adds a mellow depth and warmth to the guitar's sound with plenty of sustain. Nice! If dive bombing or blues vibrato are your thing, the LA Select is equipped with a 2-point modern tremolo. That's what I noticed as well. The 2-point, this one, that one. I love it. Others doesn't like the 2-point tremolo bridge. because of they said it's hard to set up or whatever, but this one came and it's already set up, so it's not a problem. If you prefer things a little more mellow, the tremolo arm is removable and can simply be attached when needed. Yeah, so that's why I took it off, but yeah, you get the option to put it. The guitar also features a volume control, a tone dial, both of which sit within easy reach for quick adjustment during a gig. Yeah, there's only two. The proper Strat got two tone knobs and one volume. This one volume, one tone. It doesn't matter for me. I'm used to it because my other guitar is also like that. Lion by Washburn. So instead of reading all of this, we will just skip and go to the specifications. So scale length 25.5 inches, 648 millimeter, bolt on, and I like the style at the back. It's not the traditional Strat. This is like Ibanez type. I like that. So we said earlier of the maple neck and then poplar laminate for the fretboard. Neck thickness at the first fret is 21 millimeter, plus minus 0.5 millimeter. And neck thickness at the 12th fret is within 24 millimeter, plus or minus 0.5 millimeter. Radius is 14 inch, so 356 millimeter. And the neck profile is C, 22 frets, nickel silver medium jumbo, and then dot inlays, natural satin. So I was correct when I was saying before. So it's a natural satin. It's really nice. Right, what else? Scratch plate is tortoise shell. We've said it before. Control, so the volume control is 250k pot, tone is 250k pot. What else is important here? Hardware color is chrome. This one, the accessories included should have been gig bag, strap, jack cable, plectrums, Allen keys, tremolo arm. But what we've got is just the tremolo arm and the gig bag. The gig bag, I just noticed just now, it doesn't have a strap, so it's just the handle, but it's fine. String gauge is 9 to 42. I actually ordered strings, so that will be next video as well. 9 to 42 as well, so it's a surprise. I won't say what strings I've ordered. And then that's about it. Right, so I don't know, I'm not very good with specs, guys, so I just read it to you, to all of you. I don't know if it's a okay specs or it's still low-end specs, but according to Gear4Music, their LA Select, they take pride with their LA Select series, or there's other like New Jersey Select, etc. When it comes to their guitar, when you say Select, it's a bit higher than their regular series. All right, now we'll try and set up everything. So what's gonna happen is that I'm going to try again this FoxGear Tweed 55 paired with the Vox BC108 speaker cabinet, 8-inch speaker cabinet. And then I got my Zoom G1Four, which I edited because a couple of days or about a week now, there was someone who messaged me or who commented on my YouTube video about Zoom G1Four, if there's a way, according to him, to make this sound better, like it's not robotic. And I do agree with him. I do struggle with this pedal. I normally just use the reverb, and I plug my acoustic guitar for this one because it's so easy, it's so handy. And then mostly that's how I use this. And then when I do videos, I use this because I plug this to my interface and it sounds great doing that. But if I'm using this with an amp, it's horrendous. There was an open jam session. I brought this. I couldn't use the effects, so I stayed using just the reverb, and then I plugged into the guy's Vox AC15, and I just used the volume control of my guitar, and that's it. This is mainly like my tuner, and just to mute my guitar, and then back again, and just the reverb. But yeah, I survived the jam session. Each time I'm doing guitar solo, I just crank up the volume, and then that's it. Right. So we'll set it up and we'll discuss. Oh, having said that about this effect, so I've tried and fiddle with it, and we'll go through. That's the other purpose of this video. We'll go through the effects that I've done, and you guys will be the judge if it's good enough. All right. See you in a bit. Alright, so here we go. I configure the number 2. I've done many patches here before, but I deleted it now. So my first one is reverb. I hope this is loud enough. I don't want to upset people because it's nighttime here now. And if you want to check my reverb, it's whole reverb. I put everything, what do you call this one? Turned off everything. So if you want to turn it on, you just do that. But the only effects that's on at the moment is whole reverb, and it's this Pred 20, decay 12, mix 46. Yeah, keep it simple. Here gain level is like 12 o'clock. It's on number between 4 and 3 for the volume. Bass just past 12 o'clock. Then treble here, a little bit behind. So it's like 4. If 5 is there, it's the middle. This is like 4, and then you got this middle. That's my settings for now. You can always change your EQ with your amp, but so this is how it sounds. That's my reverb. So it's a digital reverb, but it's not that bad. Some of the reverb here on Zoom G1Four is robotic, so I prefer whole reverb. And then I saved it as reverb, so that if I just need a reverb for the gig, then it's simple, it's there. Then my next one is my tube screamer. Obviously it's far from a tube screamer, but it's because it's that tube screamer or TS drive of Zoom, so that's why I left it there. Sometimes when you're using a drive, it's better to turn off your reverb there. But I like it with the reverb because this one doesn't have a built-in reverb. So if your amp got reverb, remove the reverb from your Zoom G1Four. Now if you want to know, that's how the reverb is, 1010 and mix 19. So I wanted it less, but it's there. And then my tube screamer or TS drive, gain 68. And then boost on, tone 40, volume 55. Actually, you can edit it, lower the volume around 20. and then put this all the way up, and I think I need to about 30 then. So it depends on how you like your tube screamer. If you less, you can put it about 80. And then add a bit of volume so that it will boost. That's it. Or back to 30. Now I got my tube screamer. So from clean, and then I go to the next one. Then back again to clean. Right, then I still got my solo lead. Now this one got delay and it's much louder, so that my tube screamer is like a bit subtle, like a bluesy one. And this one is more of a solo. I think I can change the level. If you go to settings and patch, and you can lower this one some more, about 15 maybe. Yeah, I think that's about right. Yeah, and then another clean tone here. So let's go back to my lead. So I got Zen, overdrive, and then delay. There's only two that I put. What is this one? Chorus, just in case I needed chorus, but I turned it off. So we got that one, and delay, time 400, feedback 20, mix 24, tail off, Zen overdrive 50 for the gain, tone 50, voice 57, volume 60. You can always alter those numbers or parameters, because it depends on your guitar, depends on your amp that you're using. But I like this sort of tone, and it's up to you if you want to copy that, but you can always edit it. All right. That's the bridge. And this is neck. And there's some more. I got this V clean tone. I got this reverse delay. I got song 8 clean because of our song 8. I like that one. And then that's for my solo. And I got this pop chorus. I think it's already there, but I edited it a bit because I like the tone. I like the sound. pop chorus, and then I put distortion there. I don't know if you like my distortion, but yeah, it's there. And then I got that delay. And acoustic, so you got that one. Don't know, you like it? That's it, because I think it's gonna be too long, guys, for us to discuss. I'll do a part 2. Now it's not more on the guitar. Part 2 will be more on the effects, and we'll discuss some more for the Zoom G1Four next time, because it's getting long now. But I'm very happy with this one. I think what I'm gonna be doing is I already ordered the strings, so change strings, and I'm not sure if I'll be the one trying to set up the guitar. I'm not expert, or bring this. It's just embarrassing to bring this sometimes to a luthier or shop, and then they will say, oh, you got a very cheap guitar, what's the point? But I think if I'm paying for a setup, then it doesn't matter what guitar I got. But it's just embarrassing. Some people are snobbish when it comes to brands, and I just love this guitar. So yeah, let's see. I might bring it to one of the shops and update you. But once my strings arrive, I will try and change strings perhaps, and then try to do my own kind of setup. Especially there's some sharp edges here. The height here is really high. It's not uniform. This lower E is, I think they started to file it, and then the rest, especially the A and the D, is very high. I think that's why probably it's causing like off key sometimes. But the intonation, I checked it, it's really good. So I think they did a quick setup for this guitar. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and see you again soon. Bye.